welcome. You're watching Next IS English. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is geographical indication tag has been given to 5 products in Tamil Nadu. Now, before we get into the topic, I would like to tell you that geographical indication is a very important and crucial topic for UPSC. Why? Because it has appeared many times in the prelims examinations. You can go through the pre-IQs and you can actually see that this topic has been continuously repeated because it involves a lot of history, it involves a lot of culture, it involves multiple industries, may it be textile industry, may it be some other product industry. So it involves a lot of industries also. So this becomes a highly relevant topic. So let us begin and see how Tamil Nadu has got 5 more GI tags in 5 more products. And before that, I would like to tell you that now Tamil Nadu has 74 products with GI tag. So again, that is a big achievement. More applause to Tamil Nadu. 74 GI tags now Tamil Nadu holds. So moving forward, let us talk about what the recent achievement is. So the recent achievement is that 5 products from Tamil Nadu have recently received GI tags, and now total GI tags for Tamil Nadu are 74. Now let us talk about the 5 newly tagged products, which are Kavindapadi palm jaggery, Namakkal metal vessels and Thumamalli rice, and lastly, Amba Samundaram wooden toys. So these are the 5 products which have got GI tag. Now let us understand why they have got GI tag and what is unique about all these 5 products. Moving forward, let us talk about the Koir Suti sari first. So you can see the picture. These are beautiful sarees here. If you would like to wear, you can always go to Tamil Nadu and buy some sarees for yourself. But let us talk about the origin of these sarees now. Tiruchi district in Manamedu, on the banks of the Kaveri river. So this is the origin where these sarees were originated, and the raw material is Koir yarn from Coimbatore and Rajapalayam regions. So it is made specifically from a certain kind of yarn, which is Koir yarn, and this yarn is from Coimbatore and Rajapalayam regions. The dye is obtained from JM Kondam. So again becomes very important. The dye which is these sarees are dyed in is obtained from JM Kondam. The speciality is that they are hand designed with block prints and geometric patterns. As you can see here, they are hand designs with block print and they have geometric patterns on them. And the applicant is Koir Handloom Weaver Server Cooperative Society. So this was the applicant. This society has applied for this GI tag, and the historical link is that it is connected to the Chola era clothing tradition. So it becomes highly significant because the sari is linked to the Chola era. So maybe if it was possible to go back to history, maybe we would have been able to see beautiful queens of the Chola era wearing this sari. Okay, so the benefit is expected to boost export opportunities also. So again, yes, it is expected to boost the export opportunities of the sari, and for the textile industry also it is a big boost. Moving forward, let us talk about the second product, which is the Kavindapadi palm jaggery. Now the origin of this jaggery is in Erode district, Kavindapadi, and you can see the jaggery here in the picture. The speciality is this is made by evaporating juice extracted from palm trees using traditional methods. So again, there are palm trees, and first a certain kind of juice is extracted from the palm trees, and then when the evaporation process happens, then this jaggery is extracted. So again, it becomes highly important, and it is again very special kind of jaggery. The unique feature is produced only from a rain-fed palm trees. Now not all the palm trees are used for the extraction of that juice. A particular kind of rain-fed palm trees are used in the process, and 670 importance is it is known for its distinct taste and natural medicinal properties. So it has some natural medicinal properties as well, and there is a distinct taste to this jaggery. So it is not the normal kind of jaggery that we have every day. And the applicant for this GI tag is Tamil Nadu State Palm Development Board with support from NABARD. So NABARD was also supporting it, and the applicant is Tamil Nadu State Palm Development Board. Alright, moving forward, let us talk about the third product, which is Namakkal metal vessels. So this is a famous item, soapstone vessels and cookware. You can see beautiful cookwares here, and the speciality is that they're handcrafted from soapstone, and the usage is widely used in South Indian cooking, serving and religious rituals at home, hotels and temples. And the applicant is Namakkal Stone Products Manufacturers and MSME Technology Development Center. So this is the applicant for the GI tag, and again, a very important. Moving forward, let us talk about the fourth product, which is Thumamali rice. So let us talk about the Thumamali rice. The meaning is pure white rice, garland like. Garland is a kind of mala or a har that you wear, that's a garland like color, and pure white rice is the meaning of Thumamali rice. The type is a traditional variety belonging to the Samba group. So it is a traditional variety which belongs to the Samba group, and the maturity period is 135 to 140 days. There are health benefits also. It is high in fiber, protein, iron, calcium, and low glycemic index, suitable for diabetic patients as well. So a lot of times you might have seen that diabetic patients or sugar patients are not able to have rice. So this is suitable for them, and the applicant for the GI product is Tamil Nadu State Agriculture Market Board with the help of NABARD, with NABARD support. So that's about the fourth product. Let us talk about the fifth and the last product, which is Amba Samundaram wooden toys. So Amba Samundaram wooden toys, you might have also seen this such type of toys here, and this is such beautiful kind of art. Now this is type of lacquered wooden toys, and the origin is Amba Samundaram. The history is centuries old craft tradition dating back to the 18th century, and the specialities, they are small colorful wooden toys, miniature furniture and decorative items, and the materials which are used are wooden, ivory, teak and rosewood. So again becomes very important, highly significant, and you might have also seen such cute little miniature furnitures of such beautiful handmade toys. So that was all about the 5 products. Now let us talk about the practice question. So we discussed the topic in thorough detail. We also talked about each product and what makes them unique and significant and appropriate for a GI tag. Now let us talk about the practice question. The question is, which of the following products have recently received GI tags from Tamil Nadu? Now let's see if you remember the name. Let's see who was listening attentively. Koir Suti Sadi, Thumamali rice, Namakkal metal vessels. The options are only number 1. The second is only number 2 and 3. Third is only 1 and 3. D is 1, 2 and 3. Let's see who will be able to answer it in the comment section below. And that is it for today. We have already covered this topic in multi-dimensional manner. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.